So to find the Lorentz series of a function in a given region, like this type of thing, this type of region, if it is given in the question, the most important thing is that we have to find out the region first, or range so called. So for that, what we have to do, we can consider the so-called mod function. As per the mod function, we can determine the region, or we can consider the circular equation method. Okay, circular equation method. Both the method I considered, but I suggest always that you just remember how we are going to find out the region or range by considering the circular method. Considering the circular equation method, right? So here by two method I have been determined the region or range. First we are going to consider the mod function. Here you can see, if I am going to consider z mod less than 5, what is the range? That is the range is your -5 to 5. Then I am going to consider z mod greater than 3. Z mod greater than 3. Here you can see, z mod greater than 3 means z is your less than -3 and z is greater than 3. Okay, z mod greater than 3 means z value we are going to take greater than 3 and z value less than -3. Already we discussed for this case. Z mod greater than 5 means z value will be less than -5 and z value greater than 5. Same thing here I have been written. So if I'm going to consider the complex plane and z and this region or range for z mod less than 5 means -5 to 5 I have to consider. -5 to 5, that means -5 to 5 I'm going to consider. But another condition is that z should be greater than 3 and z should be less than -3. So z should be greater than means z should be greater than 3. These values are going to be considered, and less than -3 means these values are going to be considered. By first condition, z should be in between -5 to 5. In between -5 to 5. That means we can consider 0, 1, 2, 3, all the points. But by considering the second condition, that z mod greater than 3, that means z values are to be considered less than -3. So less than -3 means these points are going to be considered. Above -3 points are not to be considered. And z is greater than 3 means above 3, what are the points that we are going to consider? So -3 to 3, the region is going to be cancelled. Okay, so this is our region in which we have to find out the Lorentz series of the given function. Now we are going to go for the circular equation method. Here we can consider this one is the equation of circles. Circles means this one. If I'm going to consider, here you can see, we can write this one as like this: 3 less than that of the z minus 0. Here 3 less than z minus 0 mod less than 5. So here z minus 0 means here 0 is the center. This is the one, this 5 is represents one radius of one circle. This is another radius of another circle. So 5 means larger radius, 3 means smaller radius. That means we are going to draw the two circles having radius 5 and having radius 3. Here you can see, if I will draw a circle having radius 5, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another circle 3, the region in between the two circles is our required region in which we are going to find out the Lorentz series of the given function. Got it? So how much it is easy as compared with the mod function, you just compare. Okay, so only for that I suggest that you just remember this is circular equation method to find the region. Okay.